Welcome to WaveEdu AI. I'm your host Rajesh Yogi. I am working as a CTO, Chief Technical Officer at WaveEdu team. This is our 10th video. As promised, in this video we are going to discuss the future of learning, where AI or the artificial intelligence goes next. This video is going to be inspirational and forward-looking. This video is reinforcing WaveEdu's commitment to continuous innovation using artificial intelligence. It is focused on emerging technical trends and conclude the entire series on a high visionary note. So let's discuss the future of learning, where AI goes next. So let's recap. We have taken a deep dive into the powerful artificial engine driving WaveEdu AI application. From the Gemini brain to our commitment to your policy or privacy. But the world of AI doesn't stand still. So let's look ahead. What does the future of learning look like? And what exciting innovations are coming soon to WaveEdu AI? Today, our AI suggests your next best step. Tomorrow, it will be truly hyper-personalized. The artificial intelligence won't just know you need help with fractions. It will know you learn best through visual stories and competitive gamified quizzes. And all of these relies on advanced adaptive algorithm that continuously adjust the curriculum in real time based on hundreds of data points, not just the score. Our vision is that every student will have a genuinely unique, optimal curriculum designed by artificial intelligence just for them. Right now, you talk to the AI, but soon the AI will start acting for you. This is the rise of AI agents. Let me explain. What do I mean by AI agents? AI agents are going to be your partner in your learning in coming months or years. An AI agent is a model that can perform a series of complex long-term tasks autonomously without a human prompt for every single step. WaveEdu application, how it is going to use AI agents, let me explain you. Imagine an AI agent in WaveEdu dedicated to exam preparation. An AI agent which is helping you to prepare well, which is taking care of your exam stress. It will automatically monitor your progress over 2 weeks. Identify the 3 weakest topics. Pull verified resources. Draft a personalized review schedule and proactively alert the parent, all without being asked. The AI agent is going to do or perform the duty honestly. It is like having an executive assistant who manages your learning schedule and study material. This AI agent is going to be your assistant or your companion. We highlighted Gemini's multimodality in one of our video. Multimodality means a Gemini can work on text as well as images and videos. The future is about full immersive learning. Imagine asking the AI to explain planetary orbits, and instead of just text, it instantly generates a 3D interactive model you can manipulate. The goal is to use AI to turn complex, abstract concepts into tangible visual experiences that deepen understanding and retention. We want to build your memory retention strong. The world of AI is moving fast. And at WaveEdu AI, powered by Google Gemini, we are committed to being at the forefront. We will continue to build on the foundation of trust, privacy, and technical excellence. We have outlined in this series to ensure your child has the best educational tools available. Let's conclude this video. Thank you for joining us on this journey behind the technical engine of WaveEdu application. We hope you feel more confident about the technology and more excited about the future. Keep learning, keep exploring, and keep trusting the smart, safe, and focused power of WaveEdu AI. Subscribe to this channel, keep in touch. We are bringing